Hello everyone, this is Donna, and I just wanted to do a quick video here. I'm trying to get the angle set up where I can capture everything on the Accufeed foot for the Skyline machines, at least the Skyline S7, S9, and things like that. As you can see, back here there is a little bar that runs across, and that is where this hooks in. This is the actual Accufeed foot that or the holder that goes into your machine. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take off my normal foot or the adapter, and you have to forgive me here because of the angle and everything. Hopefully this will show right, but when this thing gets in there, it'll slide in this bar, and then you just press it up here where you can get the screw in, and then we will get it all tightened in. You have to kind of lift up on this base part to get it to where you can screw it in. Get it most of the way there. Okay, so it is in, and right now I'm going to lower it, and the actual feet kind of go down, and we will take a few stitches, and as it walks, the feet will come up a little bit. When the needle is down, they're up probably about 1/4 of an inch off of the needle plate, maybe not quite that far, but then you can sew and it'll walk along. And I'm actually going to sew at speed. Some people don't think that you should or can sew at speed with these feet, but this one, for this machine, I've never had a problem with it. I know with the traditional walking feet that there are out there for the older machines, I don't think that they could actually handle the speed, but since this is kind of integrated with the machine, it doesn't seem to be a problem. So let's do it again. So that's it going at speed. And, you know, you can just sew around with it. So if you haven't played with your Accufeed foot, I would suggest that you do. It's a very good foot. I actually like it, and I use it for some of the tricky fabrics and stuff, or things that I really want to make sure that don't slide around and stuff. So anyway, I hope that helps. Just make sure that when you get this in here, that it's not, if it's in properly, it won't come out. If it's kind of sticking out back here and just barely touching, and you can, like, move it with your hand, then it is not attached properly and it won't work properly. And when it isn't working properly, these little feet right here will be like way up, and it won't do the walking function properly. So hope that helps, and if you have any other questions or things that you want to know about your Skyline S7, just ask, and I'll see if I can help you get any of your issues figured out. We will talk to you later. Bye.